with a Dynapro race muffler. One of their shortest ones that they have. Started my Jeep. It starts up pretty quiet. And then I have to pump the gas once, get the gas going a little bit. And she's getting her kids out of the car and she's in front of me. And I pop the gas pedal a little bit and she jumps and pulls her kid next to her and looks at me and gives me a dirty look. So yeah, it was pretty funny. Yeah, this summer I'm just planning on riding motorcycles all summer long, have fun, go fishing, go four-wheeling, and just have best summer ever. That's what I'm planning. Ooh, nice Corvette. Old Sugar Beet Factory. That place always looks cool. There's a bunch of people that go there. A bunch of people that go there at night, but you're not supposed to, I know. You're in some big trouble. I'd say I'm not a fan of those tail lights or those rims. Not a big fan of chrome. Oh, it feels so good. I'm gonna stop by Dick's and look at their fishing stuff in a little bit. Maybe. Maybe not. Me and my friend are going tonight around 11-ish, I think, to Walmart. Get some fishing gear before we head out Monday. Yeah, today's Sunday. One of my roommates is having problems with some fuel delivery too, but it's on his motorcycle. He was out testing his motorcycle because he just got it all bobbed out a little bit. He has a 2003 Honda Shadow 750 with the dual carbs. And he just got his all bobbed out. He got new, what are they? Oh, I can't think of their called, but they're shock boots. He got new shock boots on his front forks. Got a new headlight, new rear tail light, license plate relocation. It looks really awesome. But after he got his shock boots on, he went out to test ride it and everything to see how it's doing. And in the middle of his ride, he went to turn, and he had no front brakes. Oh, that's sweet. He had no front brakes whatsoever. And he tried to stop, and he was turning on go left onto a county road off of 52, and he couldn't slow down, and the bike died. As he was trying to slow down, the bike died. No fuel whatsoever, no power, completely died, no front brakes too. Then he's turning, and he hits sand, he starts sliding, he almost wipes the bike out, and he gets it to a stop, and he finally looks, and while his front rotor, his brake caliper came off. It was just hanging there dangling. And then his fuel problem was his low petcoke is messed up for some reason. I don't know why, but it just stops giving fuel. And so yeah, he's fixing that today. Otherwise, I might have had him came for a ride. So, ooh, that's awesome. Corvette Club. Oh shit! What the hell? Almost ran into the back of that person. Little Chevy truck bed as a trailer. That's pretty funny. Hey, another person. That bike's awesome. Wow, that's such a beautiful view. I love it. I like it. I like it a lot. Whoa, bird. That was close. Some pretty nice cars out. Ooh, almost killed it there. That was pretty close. I have to see if there's any car shows or anything going on here. Might bring my Jeep out, that'd be fun. Free couch, bruh. All right, we're off to Taco Bell. Puppy! I don't even know what the speed limit is. I think it's like 35. I know it's 30. I'm trying not to go too fast off him, but we'll see. Brown cow. Yeah. It was a really nice day out.
Yeah, yesterday was great too.
Yeah, I worked though.
So where do you want me to sit so I don't bother you when you make turns?
Don't matter.
This is good, or you want
Yeah.
I'll back up or
No.